Let's dive into the world of dark factories, a place where machines, not people, run the show. Picture a massive building with no lights, no heating, and no workers on the floor, just robots working around the clock. These lights-out factories are fully automated, with robotic arms assembling products and autonomous vehicles moving materials, all overseen by a central computer. The goal? Maximum efficiency and precision. Robots don't get tired, make mistakes, or need breaks. Every product is identical, and the process never stops. While it may sound futuristic, dark factories are already here, fundamentally changing how things are made. They eliminate human error, boost output, and cut costs, making manufacturing faster and more reliable. It's a big shift from the traditional factory, but it's the next step in the evolution of industry. So, despite the ominous name, a dark factory is simply a place optimized for machines, not people. When it comes to dark factories, China is leading the charge. Once known for its massive human workforce, China now installs more industrial robots than any other country, over 2 million by 2024. Rising labor costs and a shrinking workforce pushed China to automate, launching the Made in China 2025 initiative to become the world's smartest factory. China isn't just buying robots, they're building them, slashing costs, and making automation accessible. Robot density in Chinese factories has soared, far outpacing the global average. This isn't a slow shift, it's a rapid transformation, embedding automation into the core of China's industrial strategy. The result? China is setting a new global standard for manufacturing, forcing other nations to rethink how they'll compete. While other countries are adopting automation, none match China's speed and scale. China's bet on robots is reshaping the future of industry. The world is watching and racing to catch up. So, how do dark factories actually work? It's all about three technologies: advanced robotics, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. Sophisticated robots handle assembly and logistics, moving parts and products with precision. AI acts as the factory's brain, analyzing data from thousands of sensors to coordinate machines, reroute production, and predict maintenance needs. The Internet of Things connects every device, enabling real-time communication and seamless operation, even in total darkness. This tech trio creates a self-sustaining ecosystem. Sensors gather data, AI makes decisions, and robots execute tasks. The result? Factories that optimize themselves on the fly, boosting productivity and slashing downtime. For example, Gree Electric's smart factory saw an 86% jump in efficiency after going lights out. This isn't just automation, it's a revolution in how factories operate. Dark factories are setting a new bar for speed, precision, and reliability. Dark factories aren't just a concept, they're already transforming industries. Xiaomi's Beijing smart factory runs entirely on AI and robots, producing a new smartphone every 3 seconds with zero human hands on the line. In the auto sector, Jetour's Fuzhou plant uses over 300 robots and an AI smart brain to build a car every 100 seconds. Zeekr and others are following suit, with hundreds of robots running their operations. Changying Precision Technology replaced 90% of its workforce with robots, boosting output and slashing defects. Even Foxconn, famous for its massive human workforce, is automating at scale, aiming for 30% of its processes to be handled by robots. These examples prove dark factories are not a distant dream, they're today's reality. The results? Faster production, higher quality, and relentless efficiency. The benchmark for manufacturing has changed. The world's most advanced factories now run in the dark. But what about the people? As robots take over repetitive tasks, jobs are disappearing, sometimes by the tens of thousands. Yet new roles are emerging: robotics technicians, AI trainers, data analysts, and IoT specialists. These jobs require new skills and offer higher pay. But the transition isn't easy. Companies like Xiaomi are investing in retraining programs to help workers adapt. The challenge is massive. Reskilling takes time and resources. In the US, automation is advancing more slowly, protecting some jobs for now but risking future competitiveness. The future of manufacturing is automated, but managing the human transition is critical. Every country faces the same question, not whether to automate, but how to bring people along. The dark factory is here to stay. The real work now is making sure no one gets left behind.